Welcome back to Traveler's Paradise. We're going to start our walk here from Caesar's Palace. We're making our journey into the LINQ Promenade, which is my favorite area off the strip. The LINQ Promenade is situated between the LINQ Hotel and the Flamingo Las Vegas, where we were staying, by the way.
And the police are here for some reason.
I see the police are here tonight, and an ambulance, so hopefully nothing too serious.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
As you look over to the right, you can see the artist. He's here just about every single night, and they have a different artist coming in, do spray paint type of art. And I'll show you that at the end of the video. What I like about the LINQ Promenade, there's art everywhere. You will see murals. You see that truck right there? It's all painted beautifully. Looking to the left, you'll see a mural, which is especially unique because it glows in the dark. Never seen that before. And this place is very lively every single night. You come here, there's plenty of music, and right here you'll see the Breeze Daiquiri bar. Never tried it, I wanted to, just didn't get the chance. And right here we have a candy store, which is actually the biggest candy store I've ever seen.
For all you hardcore candy lovers, this is the place to become. Right next to the high roller and the flamingo resort. Look at that huge lollipop. You want one of those? This is like heaven for all the children in the world. Or people who love candy.
I actually didn't buy any candy here. I'm not a huge candy lover. I love sweets. Just didn't get anything here.
You have a bit of a sweet tooth, yeah. You can have strawberry sour patch. Are you allowed to like tackle or anything?
Okay, so we're going to be making our way upstairs, which I found pretty interesting. There's a bar. Never seen a bar in a candy store. But this is not just any kind of bar.
This is more exotic. Looks like kind of a bar over here. And there's another chandelier.
And right over here you can see the chandelier, which is, yeah, it's made out of candy. And as you can see, they have all the variety of drinks here, and what makes it so different from any other bar, they add candy to every single drink. You have chocolate, you have gummy worms, or anything that you can possibly put in there with candy. It's made here. I regret that I didn't have a drink at this place. I actually should have. I was just so distracted with making the video. I didn't think about getting a drink. We're going to continue down the LINQ Promenade. There are two popular attractions to be found here. The High Roller, the world's largest Ferris wheel, standing at 550 feet tall, and the LINQ zipline, the strip's one and only zipline. LINQ zipline is also a new addition to the LINQ Promenade since 2019. Tickets start at $25 and they're open late at night until 1 a.m. every day. Two other attractions that were supposed to be open in 2020 will most likely be set to open in 2021. Kind Heaven, a live music festival experience. Kind Heaven will provide a variety of experiences featuring different food, drinks, and entertainment that take visitors on a sensual, exotic journey. Sounds fun, right? On a normal year, you can see a concert, go bowling at Brooklyn Bowl, or catch a show at Jimmy Kimmel's Comedy Club. There are plenty of dining options to fit your preference. You can grab dinner while listening to country music at Burgo's Real Barbecue or Latin music at Chayo. If you're here with friends, you can play beer pong at O'Shea's. If you just want to drink a pint while watching a game, enjoy one or two at Yard House or Tilted Kilt. Still a lot of people. I don't know how it looks on a regular year, but some nights it's very packed here, so I recommend wearing a mask. And this is an ice bar. We were actually thinking about going there. We never got the chance, but it seems like a nice place to cool off, you know. And as we get closer to the high roller, this is where the strip ends. Tickets for the high roller starts at $9 for kids and $22 for adults. At night, it runs around $36 each person, and I recommend going at night. Haven't gone on the high roller, didn't get the chance, but at night I heard it's just, you get to experience it with all the lighting and all that. I heard it's just more worth it.
Yeah, last night was just more packed, was more people. But it's kind of late right now. What time is it? It's past 11, probably 11:30. So most people already had dinner.
And you could probably, I don't know, but I think once you go all the way, you present your ticket, and that's how you get onto the high roller. So this is it. It's a beautiful sight to see. It changes lights. There's so many LED lights on this thing. We had a view from our room at the Flamingo, and it just changes lights. Sometimes it just pulses in and out, different types of lights, colors. It's really awesome to get a sight of it. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.